Hey, Crypto Growth Fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another Constellation Dag video, guys, and in this video, we're going to be discussing Constellation Dag, obviously, the big data architecture. It's going to be an interesting video, so do watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins. You guys can see which coins we usually discuss. We discuss these as well as other potential gems. So if you're interested, then do hit the notification bell and subscribe for regular videos. And if you're interested, the super supporters can become a Patreon as well. Anyways, guys, without further ado, let us begin first and foremost with the price of Constellation DAG at the time of the recording, guys. One constellation is priced at around $0.06268 at the moment. It is up 0.10% for the day. But guys, if you look at the 7-day chart, it is up 34.89% for 7 days. If you look at the monthly chart, guys, it is up 66.53% for the month. That is extremely great. That is awesome. It has gone from 0.03405 all the way to 0.07, and it shows no sign of stopping as of yet because I think it has broken this resistance over here. So yeah, 0.064, and now it is retesting this support, and from here on forward it is going to go up, and in my opinion it's going to be testing this support range of 0.77, 0.8 or 0.08 almost. So yeah, and then I think 0.12. The next stop is 0.10. I mean, it is going to be killing this 10 in a short term, but not financial advice. Obviously, do your own due diligence and research. And guys, only invest what you can afford to lose. But in my opinion, Constellation DAG, for what it is doing, is extremely undervalued at the moment, with only a 79, almost $80 million market cap at the time of the recording. And even at fully diluted market cap, guys, this is nothing. $232 million is nothing for Constellation aims to achieve in the long run. I see this hitting tens of billions of dollars or and even more. But obviously, things have to align, and the development has to happen. The hype has to come. The utility bull run is going to be huge, in my opinion, because DAG has real world use case. It is involved with governments. It is involved with financial institutions, guys, and it transcends your traditional blockchain as well. And it has the DAG token. It has real world utility as well, guys. So I saw this post and I wanted to share with you guys. This is from Island Rainfrog. Only 646 views, guys. So you guys can check how underrated Constellation DAG is at the moment. So I really liked this post. A really good, a little thread about DAG. I really liked it. I might even repost it over here because he deserves it. So this is where the title of the video comes from: Big Data Architecture. So yeah. So anyways, a little thread about DAG, since there has been an uptick in interest as of late. 60 new node operator spaces just got allocated to mainnet, bringing the mainnet total to around 250 nodes. With more to follow in 2024, there is a queue of investors patiently waiting to run nodes. And running nodes won't be easy when this takes off, obviously. So I think these are the final moments when small investors can also run nodes. And even a few months ago that was extremely underpriced, but it is gaining steam at the moment. So the Hypergraph transfer protocol is a full stack big data architecture built from scratch, designed for securing, validating, and transacting the world's most complex data in volumes and speeds most blockchains cannot even comprehend. So guys, whatever data you provide DAG, the DAG Constellation ecosystem is so much creative and innovative with data, with complex data, that it is mind-boggling, guys. They're basically playing with data. They're playing around with data and utilizing it at discretion, guys. But blockchains are not the only network types that can be integrated into hypergraph transfer protocols data pool ecosystem. Any data can flow through HTTP. Any data network can be integrated. Data types you don't even realize exist. So any type of data is going to be integrated in these networks, and it is highly secure, highly efficient, highly fast. Even government agencies, the governments are involved with it, guys, so you guys can get a rough estimate, a rough idea of how secure and efficient it truly is. Constellation as a company also has its own hardware division, which at this stage have only productized one type of hardware, the DUR DTM, a commercial foot traffic sensor that itself is a data point source and a Constellation mainnet node in each piece of hardware. So guys, Constellation also have their own hardware division where they create their own hardware devices and integrate that with it with the Constellation Dag network, the ecosystem, the blockchain to provide utility use case. You can probably count on one hand blockchain companies that are actively developing hardware. Obviously, there aren't much that are developing their own hardware. And if you think that foot traffic miners are the only data creation hardware that is in the pipeline at Constellation, you should think bigger. This company has a lot of foresight, and I truly think that this is one of the best teams around. This project is time tested. Many people say that this project has been around for a really long time. So why hasn't it taken off? In my opinion, the projects that have survived two bear markets or one or two bear markets and are constantly developing and are constantly forging partnerships are not to be taken lightly. Obviously, anything can happen in crypto. We need to stay safe, but we have to see the potential when it is there. The potential is certainly there. Constellation hardware will eventually be integrated into all kinds of devices, Web3, Internet of Things. So, in my opinion, guys, Internet of Things narrative is going to be huge. I've talked about IOTA, Jasmy, and the other project. It certainly would be huge. It's only just getting warmed up. Think industrial scanners, sensors, they are all going to be integrated via Wi-Fi and blockchain devices, the networks, the blockchain networks, consumer devices, autonomous electronics and communications infrastructure, low-level ground-based and satellite. And guys, I've talked about lattice exchange as well. I might make another video on this in the future. Don't forget Constellation's lattice exchange is building a cross-chain DEX utilizing HTTP's layer 0 protocol, which will slash fees to around less than 10% for traders compared with Ethereum gas fees and attract liquidity from all avenues with its inherent interoperability. That is awesome, guys. Lattice exchange is basically the gateway of Constellation. Constellation are also building a full-scale data marketplace for the future of tradable data. So basically, your data can be traded, guys. You would own your data, ushering the democratization of data and creating a new class of datapreneurs. So basically, those who have value-based data can earn, can get rewarded. There is so much yet to come from this company. It is going to be unreal. You are early. This token has unique utility as the leading crypto innovators move away from speculation into production of real-world problem-solving technologies. The markets will start to adjust as people realize shitcoins value equals zero. That's why they are called shitcoins. And I completely agree with this. The crypto market has been spoiled with speculations and hype coins, the shit coins that are hyped and then shilled, the pump and dump. So obviously there are really good projects as well in certain categories that gain traction and have a strong fundamental community built around it. Obviously, they do not have a real world use case, but they are still a bit better than most of the coins in the market that are there only to scam people, pump and then dump on the investors. The initial investors gain ground, the new investors lose a lot of money. This has been the trend in crypto for so many months and even years. So that has to change if the industry is to be taken seriously, guys. Now that the mainstream attention has garnered in crypto towards crypto, guys, we need projects like Constellation DAG and the other projects that we discuss. These are the projects that will create and construct a sense of legitimacy in this industry, guys. And we truly need these projects for the prosperity of the industry as a whole and the future of crypto as a whole, guys. And these are the projects that, in my opinion, are going to be the safe bets for the future. And they are going to be ushering into the new, taking crypto to the new era. So yeah, Constellation is one of them, guys. Once global enterprises are pouring capital into protocols that actually help them increase their revenues, the markets will adjust and the shit will rapidly sink to the bottom. Obviously, guys, these good projects, they won't stay undervalued for long. They have been underpriced for a very long time. And when the utility run takes hold, when the use cases are used, and these coins are truly utilized in the infrastructure, in the global infrastructure, it has the potential to be huge. Obviously not, I'm not a financial advisor, so you guys can do your own due diligence and research. Constellation is a utility company that will soon have the value of a global tech stock. Speaking of stock market and the share market, guys, these projects are the one that are going to be leading the race and becoming those giants in the industry, guys. Anyways, guys, I really liked making this video, and huge shout out to Mr. Island Rainfrog. Really good and underrated post with only 46 views. If you like this video, guys, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in any of these other coins as well, guys, then make sure to hit the notification bell and do subscribe for regular videos. And the super supporters can also become a Patreon. So until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.